In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on Big Cartel. Whether you're a digital creator or an entrepreneur, getting your products online is a crucial step. So let's dive in and simplify this process. First, you'll want to head over to the POWR dashboard. This is the starting point for setting up your digital downloads. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It might seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we'll take it one step at a time. Next, look for the My Apps section and give it a click. This area is essentially your toolbox where you can access all the applications you've been working with. It's kind of like having everything you need in one convenient spot. Now, you're going to want to create a new app. How exciting is that? Click on Create New App to start this journey. This step is essential because it's where you'll be housing your digital products. In the New App section, use the search bar and type in Digital Download. This search will guide you to the apps specifically designed for digital products. When you find the app that fits your needs, go ahead and click on Get App. This is essentially the green light to add it into your collection. Now comes the really fun part, adding your products. Click on Add Product to begin this process. Here's your opportunity to get creative. You can change the title and provide a detailed description for each digital product you plan to sell. Be sure to adjust the inventory settings, even for digital items, just in case you have limits.